Number 1. 1952 Buick Rivera, $4,500. Olathe, Colorado. This 1952 Buick Rivera two-door hardtop is offered for $4,500 in Olathe, Colorado, and represents classic early 1950s American styling. It is powered by Buick's well-known straight-eight engine paired with the smooth Dynaflow automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 30,566 miles, although it has rolled over. Finished in red paint with a clean title, the seller states that the car runs and drives well. Buick's straight-eight engines are famous for their smooth operation, making this car a comfortable cruiser. It can be enjoyed as it is or used as a light restoration project. Number 20. 1967 Buick Electra 430 Big Block, $3,500, Peoria, Arizona. This 1967 Buick Electra four-door hardtop sedan is listed for $3,500 in Peoria, Arizona, and is offered as a non-running project vehicle. It is equipped with the powerful 430 cubic inch Buick Big Block 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 93,000 miles, and the car includes a clean Arizona title. The seller notes that the body is very straight with no rust in the floors or trunk, which is a major advantage for restoration. The car reportedly ran several years ago before being parked. With factory air conditioning and a large luxury body style, this Electra could become a rewarding restoration candidate. Number 3. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $5,000, Whittier, California. This 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe is offered for $5,000 in Whittier, California, and is described as being in good condition. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 98,000 original miles. The car has been family-owned and is still used as a daily driver, showing strong reliability. The interior has been refreshed with new carpet and floor mats, and the passenger window motor was recently replaced. Although it carries a salvage title from a past accident, the vehicle was professionally repaired and remains a solid and complete example of one of the most popular American coupes of the 1980s. Number 4. 1987 Lincoln Continental, GIVENCHY, $7,000, Sierra Vista, Arizona. This 1987 Lincoln Continental GIVENCHY Edition luxury sedan is listed for $7,000 in Sierra Vista, Arizona, and comes with a clean title. It has approximately 100,150 miles and has had one owner since new, originally purchased in Tucson, Arizona. The car is powered by a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It features a distinctive two-tone brown exterior and a tan cloth interior. Luxury features include air conditioning, power windows, power locks, cruise control, anti-lock brakes, a moonroof, and an AM and FM stereo with cassette player. Recent updates include new tires and a new battery, making it a well-preserved 1980s luxury sedan. Number 5. 1987 Jaguar XJS Hardtop, $6,000 Ephrata, Washington. This 1987 Jaguar XJS Coupe is offered for $6,000 in Ephrata, Washington with a clean title. It is powered by Jaguar's famous 12-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission and finished in gray paint. The seller states that the engine has been completely rebuilt and that the car starts and runs very well. The vehicle has never been in an accident, but needs interior work and new paint. The XJS is known as a refined grand touring car with smooth power and elegant styling, making this example a good candidate for cosmetic restoration while already having strong mechanical performance. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon, $10,000, Maryville, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon is offered for $10,000 in Maryville, Illinois, and shows 100,000 miles. Although the odometer has rolled over, it is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and comes with a clean title. The seller has owned the car since 2005 and notes that it has not been driven since 2012. The transmission has been rebuilt, and the car has received new brakes and other replacement parts. Caprice wagons were known for their spacious interiors and comfortable ride, making them popular American family vehicles during the 1970s. Number 7. 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix 400, $9,500, San Diego, California. This 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix is listed for $9,500 in San Diego, California, and is powered by a rebuilt 400 cubic inch engine with a quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor. The car also features a rebuilt turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission and upgraded KYB gas adjust shock absorbers. The interior has been fully reupholstered, and the seller states that the car starts easily, runs perfectly, and has no leaks. As an Arizona car with no rust, it benefits from a dry climate history. The Grand Prix was a stylish personal luxury coupe known for strong performance and distinctive long hood design. Number 8. 1949 Buick Super, $13,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1949 Buick Super sedan is offered for $13,500 in Phoenix, Arizona, and is described as being in excellent condition with a clean title. It retains its original straight 8 engine and Dynaflow automatic transmission. The vehicle underwent a complete restoration about 15 years ago, including an interior restoration that reportedly cost around $15,000. Finished in black paint, the car has minor imperfections and a small oil leak typical of vintage vehicles, but remains ready to drive. The 1949 Buick models introduced a more modern post-war body style that collectors still appreciate today. Number 9. 1954 Chevrolet Tin Woody Wagon, $16,495, Carpinteria, California. This 1954 Chevrolet 150 Tin Woody Wagon is listed for $16,495 in Carpinteria, California, and is described as being in excellent condition. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the steering column and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 29,656 miles, although it is not functioning. The car has been renovated inside and out, with over $7,000 spent on new brakes, suspension parts, muffler, tires, battery, and a brass radiator. It also features recent paint, upholstery, wood-style panels, and a 12-volt electrical system, making it a charming classic wagon. Number 10. 1955 Cadillac 4-door sedan, $18,000, Monroe, Washington. This 1955 Cadillac 4-door sedan is offered for $18,000 in Monroe, Washington with a clean title. It is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and represents classic 1950s American luxury. The car features a fully restored interior, along with many mechanical updates, including new tires, springs, shock absorbers, fuel pump, generator, fuel tank, and a rebuilt carburetor. Cadillac models from this era are known for their smooth ride, elegant styling, and powerful engines, making this example a refined vintage luxury sedan ready to enjoy.